Hello class, today in this section we will be learning about electronic configuration which was given by Bohr-Bury, and he gave a formula 2n square, and this n in this 2n square represent the number of the shell. n may be is equal to 1 when it belongs to K shell, n is equal to 2 when it belongs to L shell, and n is equal to 3 when it belongs to M shell, and so on. So if the nth value is 1, then this 2n square formula will be 2 into 1 ka square, so value will be 2. That means shell K will contain only 2 electrons. Similarly, if n value is equal to 2, in that condition it will become 2 into 2 ka square, so it will become 8. That means that L shell contain only 8 electrons. Is it clear about this all? So this was the formula. On that basis, how many electrons are possible in each shell, we got a clear picture. Like for K shell we can have only 2, for M n is equal to 2, for L shell L it contain 8 electron, for shell M shell it contain 18 electrons, because 2 into 3 ka square is 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Clear? Understood or not? Now similarly for shell N, how many electrons can come in that? Because nth value is 4, so it will be 2 into 4 ka square, so it will be 2 into 16. The number of electrons will be 32 electrons. So with this we came to know about electronic configuration. So scientists started working on it, and in further as per the 2n square formula, they started giving electronic configuration. Different electronic configuration of different elements are there, which is given in the next page. We will be learning about that. But let us take an example. If you want to say structure of magnesium, if I want to take one example, structure of magnesium atom. Now I was see what is its atomic number. What I want to do is, what is atomic number? Atomic number is how much? 12. And what is the mass number? Mass number of it is 24. Now what are other details? How many electrons are there in it? There are 12 electrons. How many protons are there in it? There are 12 protons. How many neutrons are there? So number of neutrons are 12. Now how will I write it in electronic configuration? If I want to write electronic configuration for this is one example. With that we can do all. Now how many electrons are there? 12 electrons are there. So if I say shell K, L, M and N, so how many electrons can come in shell K? As we calculated earlier, how many shells? Only 2 electrons can come in. So from 12 I'll put 2 electrons in K shell. How many can come in L? If I check over here, in L shell we can have 8 electrons. So out of 12, 2 are done. Now 10 are there. From 10, 8 gone here. Okay, now how many electrons are left? 2. 2 will be accommodating it. So what will be the electronic configuration? 2, 8, 2. So this first 2 means it belongs to K shell, and this 8 means it belongs to N, and this is M. So this is the electronic configuration for magnesium. So what we are doing today, we are going to learn about how to write electronic configuration of an atom. And for writing how many electrons are there, we have used a formula given by Bohr-Bury, 2n square formula. Is it okay? So in your book other structures are given. from 1 to 20. So do revise that full topic. Okay.